Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, let's see. We did. Oh wait, did you take the Terra Nova test?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to give you another one. I send the 6th grade assessment, part 1, part 2. Oops. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to the assessment, part 1, part 2. Wait, 6th grade math is this one. It's grade 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's check these. Did you? Okay. Did you grade them, or did your mom grade them?
No, I didn't grade them. No, it was grade good.
So let's grade. Okay, number 6 and number 17 is essays or whatever. So I gotta look it. But go ahead and check these answers. Let me know which one you got it right or wrong.
Well, for 6, I just kind of like wrote my answer.
Okay, just give me it later. Just check the one with the answers. So 1 through 5, everything except 6 and 17.
Okay, so for 6A, I just wrote 6. For B, I wrote 6 times 5 equals 30 minus 3 equals
Wait, hold on.
27.
And then just check the answer, except we're gonna save 6 and 17 later. You see my screen with the answers on the right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so check the rest of them. So 1 through 5, 7 through 16, and then 18 through 21. And then write down what you got. I'm gonna get some coffee. I'll be right back. But go ahead and check the answer. And then mark the one you got it wrong, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, so check. So 2. Let me just type this. So it's 2. 9, 12, and 20, right? Okay. And then we look at also 6 and 17. Okay, so now we go to actually, you know what, let's go back to this real quick. Okay. So 2. Okay, so want to find, let's see. Number of 4-pound containers, you know, the ratio is which of the following? So X is the number of the ounce of press on the 4 containers. So wait, 4-pound containers. So pound, so from ounce to pound, so I would do, so first you want to make sure you match them. So I put all the ounces on top. And then the pounds on the bottoms. So the answer is A. What did you choose?
I chose D.
Okay. 4-pound container. Yeah, because here at the beginning, they say the ounces of pretzel in a 4-pound container. So then you would do ounces over 4. And then the 16 ounces, 1 pound, okay? Wait, is what the answer is A?
Yeah, the answer is A.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just clear this out. Okay, number 9. Okay, all the benches in the park are red and blue. So there's 3 to 4, that's the ratio from red to blue. Which of the following? So A cannot be right because the total is 7, right?
Mhm.
That won't work. And it's not 4. For every 3 red bands. So shouldn't that be C? You pick D?
I picked A.
A. Okay. Yeah, because you can't, if you pick 4 benches, the ratio is 3 to 4. That means you're gonna have to, the total has to be 7, okay?
Mhm.
Unless look at C, 3 red and 4 blue. That makes sense. Okay. So number 12 is next. And then we'll go back to 6 and 17. Okay, this one. So what did you do? Did you cut them?
No, I just did like 15 times 6 plus 15 times 4 plus 4 times 6.
Okay, so 15 times 6, you have 90, right?
Mhm.
And then 15 times 4 is 60 here. Now, this should be another 90, right?
Yeah.
That's a 60 here. Oops. That's another 60 because they're identical. And then what did you do to the side? 4 times what?
I didn't do anything with the sides.
So that one, this here, you got to fold them so it has to be equal to 6, okay? The way you fold this thing. So you got to add 24 on each side. So go ahead and add them up. It should be a little bit more than what you have. It'll be 48 more than your answers, which is what?
I picked A.
you have A, so what is, let me see. So, okay, I'm just gonna add them. So 90 plus 6 is 150 actually, so times 2 plus 48, so 348, okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, that one. Wait, you have 174?
Yeah.
How did you have 174? Oh, you add these three together, right?
Mhm.
You forget this, because remember a prism has 6 different faces. So you got double it. Okay. Number 20. And we'll go back to 6 and 7. Okay, so this one, actually this one's on the GED. The area. So did you just cut them into 2 triangle and the middle is 6 times 4?
I just did I just did 3 plus 6 plus 3 times 4 divided by, no, not divided by, just that's the answer.
Times 4.
So my answer was
Oh,
D.
but you can, because if you do that, you're gonna count this extra triangles here, right?
Mhm.
So now the way you do it, you can, but this is what you do. You cut this triangle, right? And then put it over here, okay? So but the thing is, this is gone, right? So you can't really count this extra 3. You see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
So now you got a 6 here plus 3, so it's actually 9 for the length, okay?
Mhm.
And then for the side, you still got 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. Yeah, you add the bottom, but the thing is, now there's another way. Remember how to find a trapezoid? There's also another way. You can do it the way you do, but it's different. You forget to do something.
Said something about adding the first base, second base, and
Right.
multiplying
So
the
first base is 6. Second base is 12, right?
Mhm.
So add them together is 18 times 4, but then you got to divide by 2 because there's 2 triangles like that. So I'm just going to reduce it. So 2 goes in 4 twice, so it's also 36, okay? That's another way to do this.
Mhm.
Okay, now let's go to number 6. Okay, Lily wrote the expression. Okay, so coefficient is what?
It's I'm pretty sure it's a number on the left of the variable.
So it'd be 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what is the value? Okay, so how did you give me the answer, but you also have to explain how to find it.
I got 27. And then yeah, I kind of just wrote an equation for how I did it. So I just said 6 times 5 equals 30 minus 3 equals 27. And I circled 27.
Yes, good. Okay, now, okay, C, how did you write it in the expression?
I did 2x minus 1 plus 8.
2x minus 1 plus a more than the difference of, yeah, that's it. And then, okay, so now D. Now, before you do anything, you can reduce it to plus 7, right? Just for D, okay, to solve for D. So now what do? So on his expression, it's 2x minus 1 plus 8.
Yeah.
2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 7, right? So wouldn't that be 17?
Yeah, I got 17.
Okay, so the difference will be 27 minus 17, which is 10, I guess. Because 27 is the other expression. Okay, let's go to 17, right? Okay. Okay, so A, what's the answer?
For A, I got 4.
4, yes, because middle is at 4. Good. All right, what about mean?
For mean, I got 5.
See, 12, let's see, 10, 17, 25. Yeah, 25 divided by 5 is 5. Good. Okay, so on the sec C, which measure is same for both data set? So is that mean, median, or range?
Range.
Range, and because why?
Because 2, so they're both 2 to 8.
2 to 8, okay. So when you do 2 minus 8 or 8 minus 2, that equals to 6, okay, both.
Yeah.
All right, okay, so this is part 1. Okay, oops, let me pull. Let's see. Okay, so let me find you. I do have another one, grade 6. This one is a lot because that's all these questions. Hold on, let me look for online. Sixth grade. Two, 5. Okay, so we did actually. Let me stop the